Hey guys, this is the second TEAG for Unit 8, and we are going to do the following today. 8.8b, we're going to write problems for an equation or inequality that is given. So they're going to give us an equation, and we need to pick the situation that goes with that equation or inequality. For example, which situation cannot be represented by x plus 12 equals 2x plus 4. And here's your answer choices. So we have A, which would be, let's say, Barry's age increased by 12 is the same as twice his age decreased by 4 years. Next one is a number added to 12 is the same as 4 increased by twice the number. Another one could be, let's just do one more. If a number is increased by 12, then it will equal 2 times the number increased by 4. Okay, so now we need to see which example matches this. So the first thing you want to do is make sure the numbers you have in your equation are in the answer choices. So we have a 12, a 2, and a 4. So here we have a 12, we have twice, which is 2, and a 4. So that's good. This one we have a number added to 12 is the same as 4 increased by twice the number. That looks good. And if a number is increased by 12, then it will equal 2 times the number increased by 4. Okay, they all have the same numbers, so we can't mark anything off. But let's see which one is telling us, let's see which one could not, and we need to remember that, be our answer. So let's start at C. If a number is increased by 12, so that would be plus 12, and that works, then it will equal 2 times the number. Okay, so that would be 2 times, that is 2x, increased by 4, that is plus 4. So what we have here is a number, that's our x, is increased by 12, then it will equal 2 times the number increased by 4. And that is exactly what this is, so this one works, so it can't be this one because they want the one that's not represented. Let's look at this one here. A number added to 12, so here's our x, a number added to 12 is the same as, that's equal, 4 increased by twice the number. There's your x again. Okay, this is just flipped, but it's the same number. I mean, it's the same equation. So we know it's going to be a, and let's see why it's going to be a. Barry's age increased by 12. Okay, so this is his age. Increased by 12 is the same as twice his age decreased by 4. Minus 4. That is why this one would be your answer. Let's try just one more. Okay, which situation can be represented by 60 plus 30x is less than 45x. Okay? So let's see which one. So let's put our answers. So we have a quick car shop, charges a $60 fee plus $30 per hour for labor. Paul's repair shop charges $45 per hour. What number of hours would make quick car shops charge less than Paul's shop? And let's do another one. Let's see, let's put B here. 60 increased by a number times 30 is less than the number increased by 45. And last one. A golf club charges $60 plus $30 per lesson. Another charges $45 per lesson. Let's call this golf club number 1. And this will be club 2. How many lessons does it take for the first club to be more than the first club, the second club? Okay, so let's figure out which one works, because it says can be. So we have a quick car shop that charges a $60 fee. We have a 60 plus $30 per hour. Okay, that looks great. That is in the form of y equals mx plus b, and we can write it. There's our x, that's our magic word that we circle. So we have 30x plus 60, which looks great. Paul's repair shop charges $45 per hour. Okay, so there's our other word, and we have 45x. What number of hours would make quick car shop charge less than Paul's shop? So this is less than, and that looks perfect. That looks great. So we know this will work. I think we have a couple that will work, and let's see. Let me take this off here. Is more than. Otherwise we're gonna mess up. So we have 60, which we have here, increased by a number, so that means we're gonna add it, times 30. Okay, so we have a number increased by 60 times 30. Oh, I guess it didn't matter if this was less than or more than, because now we have another number increased by 45. But since we changed it to more than, that's going to be going this way. So we know this looks good, but we see that our sign is different, and we know this is different because it has a number plus 45, so that can't be it. Finally, we have a golf club that charges $60 plus $30 per lesson. So there's our magic word. Circle that. 30x plus 60. And another just charges $45 per lesson. So this looks great. There's our x. Here's our 45 per. How many lessons does it take for the first club, that's this one, to be more than? That is the wrong sign. So we know that our answer here was the first one, A. So that'll do it. Your assignment's on the next page. Thank you for watching.